Wait till you see the amount of clean laundry that I have to put away. Honestly, I'm a little embarrassed for you to see the state of my house at the moment. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a mid-week reset. It is Thursday, and I don't know what happened. Actually, no, I do know what happened. I have been out of the house the last couple days, so when I'm gone all day, I don't get an opportunity to put clothes away or do some laundry or clean up. So my house has been severely neglected. This was a good opportunity to film a reset and give you guys some cleaning motivation, because Lord knows I don't feel like cleaning today. But I can't stand when everything is in disarray. It drives me bonkers. Let me know in the comments below if you guys love seeing these complete disaster home reset videos. If your home also looks like this in the morning after school drop off with 3 kids. I can't wait any longer. It's driving me nuts. Let's go. After a busy week with the kids, our house definitely needed a full reset, you guys. I was out of the house for like 3 to 4 days, and it is amazing how quickly everything piles up when you don't do those daily tasks like vacuuming and putting clothes away, making the beds, or doing like a light clean or a light dust. Oh my gosh, I'm not kidding, after 3 days, it added up so fast. I was so overwhelmed because my entire house was a complete disaster. Not just the living room, not just the kitchen, not just the upstairs. It was literally everything, and I was completely overwhelmed. So if you are feeling how I was in this video, honestly, it is what it is. That's life sometimes. And we are very busy, and we're moms, and we do it all, and we wear a ton of hats, and we have a ton of jobs, and it never ends. But you know what? We just need to give ourselves some grace, take it one day at a time. We do not have to do everything all at once. And I honestly don't regret being out those 3 days because I spent time with family and friends, and life is too short not to do those things. And you know what? This just took, well, honestly, a couple of hours, but whatever. It's okay. My house got clean again. So the point I'm trying to make is don't get too overwhelmed. You will eventually get to the housework, and eventually your house will be clean again. We all just need to take a deep breath and relax. So I started with a quick toy reset before it gets out of hand again. I mean, I feel like, do any other moms feel this? Like when the toys just get all over the place, it's absolutely crazy. And then I always like to start at least a little bit with the laundry because it somehow multiplies overnight in this house. I feel like with 5 of us living here, it's just crazy. Like it just is never ending. But yeah, I was finally able to shampoo the carpets, which felt really nice. It's just something that I like to do at least once a month. And the water is honestly so dirty. Like you have no idea how much dirt and dust and muck gets just tracked and trapped into these carpets until you clean them, and then you see how dark the water is. It's honestly disgusting. But anyways, I always feel so much better after everything is done, and it just looks so much better and more like my home. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And again, if you are feeling overwhelmed, don't let that get to you. You are an awesome mom. You are doing an amazing, fantastic job. And it is hard being a mom, and it's hard having all of the jobs that we have. So give yourself some grace. You should give yourself a pat on the back. You are doing a great job. Don't forget to subscribe for more realistic mom life resets and routines. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this music and me cleaning up the disaster that is my house. Love you. Bye.